Distillery is bringing distilling back to the centre of Edinburgh using recipes and ideas from the history of the city of Edinburgh. Quality is so important to us. We have to be able to distinguish ourselves from other distilleries by using innovative methods and ideas and recipes. Although we're a traditional distillery at Holyrood, we want to be able to grow and innovate. And that doesn't mean just with our products, but it also means with the way that we run our business and the way that we want to grow our business. And by implementing SAP Business One, we can do that a lot more easily.
We've recently just implemented SAP Business One. I've really enjoyed the control it gives me over my stock. It just gives me this real traceability and transparency within my production setup.
Holyrood Distillery chose Lake Business Systems because they came to us with the right attitude.
When we reached out to Lake, they sort of matched our energy and matched what we wanted to do with SAP within our business.
Lake Business Systems helped us immensely, including bringing in additional support systems such as Boyum with the dashboard. The Boyum B1 app, it gives me a massive opportunity to be able to quickly nip in and out and be able to get the information I need. It makes it so easy for me just to click through very, very quickly, all on one screen. With SAP Business One, we all have access to the same data at the same time.
I think it's completely changed the way I work. It allows me to make better decisions.
All of our team of directors just have more information.
Having the transparency and the control over all my stocks and all the processes visually allows us to truly focus on quality.
The relationship between Holyrood Distillery and the suppliers is really, really important. We can't function without them. So for us to be able to use SAP Business One so that the whole purchasing procedure is a lot more efficient and thorough is just fantastic.
It's just helping me build a bigger, better picture of my many moving parts that we have. We've just scratched the surface of what we can do with SAP. Holyrood Distillery's future in whisky and spirits production is extremely bright, and that's due to working with Lake and implementing SAP Business One.
We can all grow together. We have a brilliant future. We'll just keep growing.